Istanbul in winter surprises almost every tourist. The weather, the culture, the rhythm of the city, it's completely different compared to summer. If you're planning a winter trip to Istanbul, here are the things you probably don't expect, but absolutely should know. Tourists expect mild winter weather. But Istanbul can feel much colder than the temperature shows. The Bosphorus wind cuts through coats, and sudden rain showers are very common. Snow is rare, but when it comes, the whole city slows down. Many visitors think winter means empty streets. Not in Istanbul. Locals are always out, and tourists from Europe love visiting this time of year. The city is less crowded than summer, but still full of life. Winter days are much shorter. Sunset can be as early as 5 p.m., which means less daylight for photos and exploring. Plan your outdoor activities in the morning, and keep museums or markets for later. Certain museums and attractions close earlier during the winter season. Even some boat tours and outdoor experiences run on reduced schedules. Check opening times before you go, it will save you frustration. Istanbul in winter means warm comfort food everywhere. Hot salep, roasted chestnuts, steaming soups, and simit sellers on every corner. Many tourists say winter food is their favorite part of the trip. Hotel prices, flights, and some tours are cheaper in winter. If you're traveling on a budget, this season offers the best value. Istanbul in winter is cozy, surprising, and full of experiences most travelers don't expect. With the right preparation, it might become your favorite season to visit. Enjoy your trip, and stay warm.